If you need to find a Calendly appointment quickly, this video will walk you through the simplest way to do it step by step. Whether you're trying to check an upcoming meeting, confirm the date and time, or just review the details of a booking, Calendly makes it easy once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Calendly account using your usual email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Meetings section. This is where Calendly organizes your scheduled appointments, so this is the best place to begin your search. After clicking Meetings, Calendly will display your meetings in a date-based layout. That means your appointments are categorized by when they happen, which makes it much easier to scan through upcoming events. Take a moment to scroll through the page and look for the appointment you want. If you already know the date, this can save you a lot of time. If you have a lot of meetings listed, use the browse or search option to narrow things down. You can look for the name of the person, the meeting title, or anything else that helps you identify the appointment faster. This is especially useful if you manage multiple bookings or if your calendar is busy. Once you find the appointment you're looking for, click on it to open the full details. Here you'll be able to see the booking information, including the scheduled time, attendee details, and any notes connected to the meeting. This is the easiest way to confirm that you found the right Calendly appointment. If you still can't locate it right away, double check that you're logged into the correct Calendly account. Sometimes people have more than one account or access through different email addresses, so making sure you're in the right place can solve the problem instantly. Also, remember that meetings in Calendly are usually arranged by date, so if you're searching for something older, you may need to scroll further down the list. Taking your time and using the search field together can make the process much faster. And that's it. You now know how to find a Calendly appointment, browse through your meetings, and open the details whenever you need them. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Calendly tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching.